Alrighty guys, here's one of my two Windmere 12-inch table fans from the late 80s. This is the more common one of the two. This is just a regular one. It's got the metal small vent motor that all the Windmeres came with, and it regularly had the same chrome badge, but all the chrome was gone, and underneath the chrome is brown, so that looked disgusting, so I went ahead and did it up with a nice teal paint job. Got that base plate. Just your average Windmere 12-inch. This one's really nice because it's not yellowed out at all. I also redid the oscillator in this one with the parts from that mid-90s Windmere 12-inch that I gave to Tori the Fan Man. So, assuming it still runs good. I don't know, it's been a very long time since I turned it on, so let's find out. Well, looks fine to me. This one's got a rather nice low speed to it. My other one, on the other hand, low is like medium. It's already moving a nice breeze. It's not at full speed yet. I can tell by the way it sounds. Like I said, it's been a long time since it's been on. Yeah, it goes a lot faster than that when it warms up. Medium. Medium sounds about right. Moving a good amount of air. And high. High sounds like it's definitely correct. That's quite a bit of air for a Horn-made fan. Usually they just go really fast and don't move all that much air. At least the 12-inch ones. 16-inch ones move a lot of air. Let's go down to low and see if my oscillator still works. Looks like it. Cool. Maybe this one just has a really nice low to it, because it should have enough time to be warmed up by now. I love the way it looks with that blue badge. And here's high. Oscillator's far from perfect, but at least it works. Most Windmeres don't. Well, they're oscillators anyway. Windmere fans run forever. And we'll shut it off. Still got a good coast down time. I'll have to go get my other one out from upstairs and do a video of it. It's all original, but it's got a little detail to it that makes it very, very interesting, and I'll tell you about that in the video. Yeah, it's a cool fan. Definitely one I'm keeping around. Thanks for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed.